Restoring a smile changes a person's life. For over 15 years, Osteon Medical has been behind innovative technologies that have improved the lives of clinicians and their patients. We are industry pioneers, and we thrive on innovation. We provide tomorrow's solutions today. Osteon Medical services clinicians around the world. With state-of-the-art production facilities in Australia and the USA, we utilize proprietary solutions to craft each smile, ensuring it can last a lifetime. Our team of experts come from specialized fields across engineering, advanced manufacturing, and dental technology. The harmony of these specializations forms the essence of our DNA. We utilize highly sophisticated machinery, providing unparalleled accuracy and reliability. With high precision comes extensive quality control. Our products are compliant with some of the most stringent medical device certifications globally, giving our clients peace of mind. Because of our commitment to quality, we've been able to restore tens of thousands of patients' smiles across the globe, producing transformative devices that consistently exceed aesthetic expectations. With the ever-changing field of digital dentistry, we have made significant leaps in our software development, allowing us to stay ahead of the market, pioneering solutions to bring our advanced products to patients through more progressive, efficient, and predictable processes. As we continue to grow, so does our drive for innovation. Research and development is at our core. It's what keeps our passion for progress alive. We create tomorrow's solutions today.